Hello everyone out there in YouTube land. Welcome to the Tactical Husband Show. I'm your host, Sailor, the Tactical Husband. So today we have a new product review, and this here is the Triton Ronin 1:6 by 20 LPVO. Now, I got this because I got something I want to put it on. I don't know if I'd ever like LPVO because I'm left eye dominant, but I'm right-handed. With the red dots, it's fine, but since LPVO is like a cross between a scope and a red dot, I didn't know if I could use it with both eyes opens or not. So I went with one of these, and I've seen a bunch of reviews on them and stuff like that. And they got pretty good reviews, and you can find them on Amazon for, this one's 80 beans, and they make a 1:8, or this is 1:6. They make a 1:8, and I think they make a 1:10. Now they're more expensive now, and this one alone they have 3 different reticles, and I went with the one, I forgot what it's called, but it's a big, like an open bit circle with an open spot with a dot in the center. It's got all your hash marks under it, but it is a second focal plane, so just keep that in mind. But I'm gonna take you to the tabletop and let's check it out. Okay, so here we go. We're at the tabletop. Let's show you what you got in the box. It's in there a little bit. Wham, there we go. Get the boxes out of the way. We don't need that. All right, here we go. Now, here's your little package. You get your little warning. This right here says that you have to, minimum distance 0 is at 25 yards, okay? And then you get your little instruction card. This is the type of reticle that it has right there. And they make different ones. They make 2 other ones. That's one I went with. And you can scan this and it sends you to the instructions. Excuse me. You also get hardware for mounting, extra bolts, and your different Allen wrenches for the mount. And this is supposed to be like a turret turner, like little pocket mount. This one's a little bit different than some of their other ones. And you get a cleaning cloth, and they actually send you an extra battery. I've already checked. It has one in it already. All right, so here's the LPVO itself. And then they also send you a mount. A lot of companies do not send a mount with their LPVOs. You have to go spend another couple $100 to buy one that I found. All right, so here we go. Is it the best packaging? No, but it wasn't very expensive either. So you got to remember that. Let's get it out of here and check her out. Ooh, snack for later. All right, so here it is. And it comes with these caps. All right. Comes with them all built in, and you can take them off. They just come right off. See? Now, it does have a diopter. This is your magnification. And this is your turrets. They have screw-on caps to protect it, so these don't lock down, they don't pull up or nothing like that. It's just what it is. So this one is for your elevation. And this one is your windage, but as you can see, it is in MOA, not mil. So, and see, it's a half at 100 yards, so each click's a half a MOA at 100 yards. Now here's your battery tray. You just unscrew the end, and that's it. And then this is your how you change your brightness on your reticle. Now it is an etched reticle. You don't need a battery, but if you want to be able to see the reticle in red, you need to turn it on. Now it's got a 0 in between each click, and if you look, there's the dot. That's what it is, and the reason I have that is so it's a quick turn off. All right, I don't know if the camera would focus. Yeah, you can see the reticle, and I'm gonna turn it on. Boom. That's what the reticle looks like. It's pretty bright. That's on 4, and it's got what is it, 6? Yeah, 6 brightnesses. So yeah, it's a pretty good reticle. It's pretty, the glass is pretty clear. I was playing with it yesterday. opened it up, and yeah, the glass is super clear. So for the money, I don't think you could really beat it. Now, doing a little bit of research, some people online, because you can only buy these on Amazon, they were saying that some people were saying it's great, works great, never had a problem with it. Some guys showed where he'd been shooting it on a 308, I think. It had separated right here. So it come loose. Now, they have a warranty on it. It says it here on the package. It says they have a vision warranty. So I have to say, for the money, it seems like it's really well built. It's supposed to be waterproof, shockproof, fog-proof. Everything's metal. It's aluminum, I do believe. The mount feels pretty good. I mean, that guy was saying it didn't handle recoil on like a 308 or a 5.56. A lot of people say it's great for 22, and that's what I want to put it on, is a 22 long rifle that I bought. And check it out, see how I like it. And if I like it, I might get another one, a better brand or a more known brand for better quality. I don't know how the quality is on it, but just from my knowledge of, different types of scopes and red dots, it feels solid. It feels good. It's got a good weight to it, not overly heavily, but I think it's going to be okay. And once I get it mounted, I will do some shoot videos with it. All right. Thank you for coming out and joining me on this video, and y'all have a wonderful day, and peace out.